It's the Noon Report, Friday, February 12th, 2010. And the markets are still down, as we can see. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. Midday here, we have the Dow down 1% on the S&P, but not so bad here on the Nasdaq and Russells. We're only down 0.6, and we are down 0.5 here on the Russells. The VIX, though, has increased by 4%, putting us right at the 25 mark. We're just slightly below it. For us to stay bullish, it'd be nice to see us stay below 25. We're looking at the spiders daily here. I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the daily, but we're going to go intraday straight to a 5-minute chart. And let me show you what happened. This morning, we get a gap down. The gap never filled. You can see this. Usually you get a drop. The gap will promptly fill and then maybe break down after that. No filling of that gap whatsoever, at least up until this point. So we drop down, we're making these lows down here around 106.50 areas. You can see that right up here, 106.51 was our low. And then we come right back up underneath the 200 bar moving average, and that's that big chunky red one right here. And we stay below that, and then we come up, we tag that 200 moving average, and then we come down and we're finding support at the 20 period moving average. That's the blue line right here. So at this moment we're making higher swing highs, higher swing lows, but we are pinching ever so slightly. If I were to draw a couple trend lines here for you, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'll drop a trend line for the swing lows here, swing highs, and you know what? It's not pitching as bad as I originally thought here. Yeah, no, not too bad at all. Let me just put these how they're supposed to. I mean, it's pitching a little bit, but not as bad as I originally thought. But we are bouncing here, so maybe it is. Hold on. I'm all over the place. Right there. Yeah, so we are pinching, so that could be a problem. We are in an up channel. We do have upside resistance above us, but the thing that I do like is on the MACD, we're in positive territory, and we haven't been in positive territory very long here, and also on net volume. Net volume is ticking northbound. We're still negative on net volume so far today, but we're ticking upward, so it's given us bullish breath out there in the markets. And if I look at a spider 30-minute, what we're dealing with here is this. We get this gap down, and the 50 period moving average is acting as resistance. It's my red one. Gap down, kind of a low base or a slight rise here. So with this formation that we're seeing, this is actually quite bearish because we gap down, we do a slight rise, we are negative on the MACD. I could see this thing wanting to break down. But volume is really light. In the last few days, gang, the volume has been dissipating out of the markets, and on a daily pattern, back to the day, oh, I got my lines all over the place here, but you can see on this little up move that we're receiving, dissipating volume doesn't bode well for this up move that we're seeing. So is this, after all, a big bull flag on the daily? That's in question at this moment, but I'll tell you, something needs to be happening. I'm ready for a big pop to the upside or down. Either is fine with me. I'm just waiting for that to happen. At this moment, it'd probably be a good time to just be sitting on your hands to, until the market finally makes its move. So just enjoy this time. Go in and take part in some day trading, or go and review your journals and see where you can find your weaknesses. Take care. Safe trading.